Picture this. You're driving down the highway. You're trying to get home. You're trying to go to sleep. And all of a sudden, a nail decides that that's not what's going to happen. And it gets up inside your tire. You have two options. Become a scoundrel and replace that with another tire. Or fix that flat with a patch kit. Today, me and this assortment of tools are going to fix a flat inside my compadre's car right here in front of us. And I'm going to show you what you need, how to do it, and why you should be like me. Alright, so here, right here next to us, is a Golf GTI. And as you can see, right here, there's a scoundrel hiding amidst this beautiful rubber. Me and my lube tech over here on your left, that was your right, I jest. We're gonna fix that, and we've got these tools right here. Take a gander. Now, rule number one is that you're gonna be ripping open a hole from your tire, right? And so that means air is gonna escape. PV equals NRT. That's the ideal gas law for you chemists out there. So, you're gonna need to fill that air back up. For that, we got one of these dinguses right here. You plug this guy into the 12-volt connection on your car, turn your car on, and it dispenses beautiful, clean, liberal loving air out inside your tires. So, it tells you exactly what PSI you're at. You can pump your tire right back up to the spec on your door sticker, and you're ready to go. Next, we've got an assorted set of pliers, because you're gonna need to ply this guy out. A flathead screwdriver in case you need some leverage to get in there and crank that thing open. And these are the tools for the patch kit itself. So we've got these sticky boys right here. You got this guy, don't know what it's called, and this gentleman right here. So what you're gonna do once you pry this guy out with the pliers, you're gonna stick this dude in there, you know, in this type of motion, and that's gonna sand away some of the rubber, you know, give you a nice circular circle right there. Then you're gonna put those sticky boys right here into this guy, okay? You loop them back around, I'll show you exactly what I mean. Stick it in there, twist it around a bunch of times, pull it back out. You'll have some remnant. You'll cut away the remnant either with some clippers or a razor blade is what I also typically use. And that's the end of the deal. So it's a quick process. At the end of that, inflate your tire back up and you're all good to go. So let's get to it.
Let's hit.
Remember, before any car job, make sure you praise God. Now, let's begin. So, I'm gonna try and pry this guy open, either with this boy right here. Oh, look at that, we got some air escaping already.
Let me get a good shot.
You see that boy? Might be able to sneak in here with this guy, wrap around.
Look at this promiscuous individual.
There we go.
Uh-oh, we can hear it.
You can hear it leaking, that's fine. Remember,
Leaking.
now, quickly, we're gonna grab this guy, stick it in the hole a bunch of times.
He's making a nice circular hole.
I'll leave that guy in there, slow that process down. Now, grab this dingus that you remember, and our sticky boys. Real sticky. Rip one away. Okay.
Is that a Twizzler, bro?
It's delicious. Kind of smooth one end down, slide it through there, right? Get it ready, and then pry this guy out. Not quite.
Yeah, we'll accelerate this.
Okay.
That's a big dingus.
Yep. Gonna go like this.
Wow, dude.
Okay. Now we're gonna take this guy back out.
This boy working, bro.
Stick this guy in there.
Wow.
Really jam it in there. Give me a second, let me get some leverage here.
Emphasize leverage.
And get it all the way in there.
Listen to that humming.
Oh, there we go. And just twist your thing. Pull it out.
Look at this booger looking ass.
And that's that. So that guy's left. What you're gonna do is clip the end of that guy off. Or, like I said, you can use a razor blade here. Razor blade might be easier, but
That's what we got.
That's what I have. My lube tech might have a razor blade. Give him a moment. So it looks like a knife or razor blade would be easier here, so my lube tech will
Bass Pro.
Let's grip this guy and pull. Oops.
Might actually be good.
Yeah, can you?
Oh, he's gonna go use some
I'm gonna try
scissors.
some scissors. There you go. Good enough.
Dude.
Here he is, the scoundrel that did the damage. But now, he's eradicated. So, the next step is to inflate this tire back up. I got this guy right here. Gotta plug that John right in the 12-volt connector. And I got this guy right here. Gotta plug that right into your tire, and then inflate. So, let us begin. So there you have it, really easy. It's like a 10-minute process. I recommend that everybody keeps a patch kit and one of those inflators inside their car at all times. It's just so useful. The pump's like 20 bucks on Amazon, patch kits are like $10. So, you know, save yourself the time, save yourself the worry. And remember, if you like this video, like, subscribe, show love and respect. And don't forget, the bird that is inside a cage for all its life does not know that it can fly.
Damn, that shit was deep.